Looking for a powerful yet compact pump? With the Leo APm37, a peripheral pump designed to handle the water needs of a single-floor, 2-unit residential building with ease. This small but mighty pump comes with a half-horsepower motor capable of pushing water up to 35 meters high and delivers a water flow of 40 liters per minute. The Leo APm37 runs on a single-phase 220 voltage household electricity and features a single brass impler, efficiently transferring clean water with temperatures up to 40 degrees centigrade. With a 1-inch inlet and outlet diameter, it's designed for a smooth operation. The pump's IP44 protection rating shields it from dust and water splashes, while its cast iron body provides strength for long-term use. This pump isn't just for homes. It also perfect for small industries, gardening, and drawing water from shallow wells. Plus, with a maximum suction height of 8 meters, it's a great choice for various clean water applications. The Leo APm37 fully automatic. You'll need a control set that regulates how often the pump turns on and off. Without it, the pump will run non-stop. And a pressure tank that prevents unnecessary starts and stops, maintaining steady water pressure and prolonging pump life. Fumco is a trusted supplier of this pump. For more details, reach out to our expert team and get the best solutions for your needs today.